Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leigh if you're new. I do beauty, hygiene, and self-care videos. So if you're interested in looking good, feeling good, and smelling good, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today I wanted to really focus on self-care. I don't feel 100% positive about my body or about myself. And sometimes, at least for me, these types of days are necessary. So I'm starting off by taking my makeup off, and I was going to take a bubble bath this day, and it's really important to me to make sure that my body is clean before I soak in water because I don't like to feel like I'm soaking in dirty water. I do want to say I think that it's important to have self-care days or a couple of hours worth of self-care, whether that be taking a bubble bath, reading, or journaling. Today the shower style I'm going to do is going to kind of be like the way they do it on TikTok but on YouTube, just because again I'm not 100% comfortable with my body, so little pieces don't bother me, but like seeing myself on camera and not being happy with the way that I look is very difficult for me. So I start off by using a bar of soap for a base clean, and then depending on if I'm going to shave or not, I'll go in with a scrub or a body polish. On this day in particular, I was not shaving, so I just used the Dove body polish to keep my skin smooth, and it's not as abrasive as if I were to use like Tree Hut. For body wash, I use this Dr. Teal. It's like a sweet almond scent. It's very light. It smells really good. I try not to use it that often just because during COVID, I couldn't find it anywhere, like at any Walmart, and it was a hidden gem, and I'm just afraid that if I use it all, I won't be able to find it. So once my body is clean, I can go ahead and prepare my bath. I start off by, hot water. I like my baths to be really, really hot, and I like to combine essential oils with Epsom salt. So the one we chose today was Blue Sea, which is Harmony. I guess this has like essential oils in it. It does make my skin very moisturized once I get out of the bathtub. I use the Dove lavender, and I'm using the lavender Epsom salt. I believe this is the Target brand, and I'm gonna just place that in the water. I love lavender, and I feel like lavender is very relaxing. It doesn't change the water any type of colors. It just it's a relaxing, like lavender and vanilla, you guys know, is my favorite. So now I'm lighting a candle just to kind of set the ambiance, and I'm going to be taking a bath. I have this little bath tray. Unfortunately, the way my bathtub is set up, it doesn't go like in the middle, so it has to stay at the end. So I grab a little snack. I turn on, whatever I'm watching at the time. At this time, I guess I was watching BookTube, and my husband had gotten me a smoothie. So I just sat in the tub. I was probably in there for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I get out and rinse myself off. I lit a candle in my room, and then I went on to get comfortable. I used this Cozy Sunday Morning. I love this smell. It does have a lavender and vanilla fragrance notes. I took out my pajamas, my book of choice, which this is the Midnight Library, amazing book. And once I'm done, I just relax as much as I possibly can. So I sat in my little recliner chair in my room. I got my little reading light, and I opened up this book. I was about halfway through this book when I filmed this. I actually just finished it. It is an amazing read. I highly suggest checking it out. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.